We want to determine the coordinates of any points of intersection between the parabolas x squared and x equals 2. Well, if they are points of intersection, that means that's where they are equal. So x squared is going to equal x plus 2. And since this is a quadratic, we're going to subtract x squared and 2, and we're going to factor this. So we need two numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add to negative 1. So x minus 2 and x plus 1. So we get x equals 2 and x equals negative 1. Now, got to be careful because it says as a list of ordered pairs x comma y. So here this is an ordered pair negative 1 and this is an ordered pair 2 comma, but we also have to include the y values. Well, 2 squared is 4 and negative 1 squared is 1. So you have to answer with both ordered pairs.